Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video. What?
I'm feeling you.
Okay, anyways, welcome back to another video of scary ghost hunting. Today we are going to this abandoned jailhouse over here.
Look at me, jailhouse.
I mean,
Hey.
oh, we might want to hurry up. I see something. Go, go, go! I think it's the train. Just slide down it.
She's laughing. That's not funny.
Rude. All right, come on. Let's just hop. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait.
Bob wire gone?
I think it is. Wait, no. I thought it was. I thought that was like closer. It almost looked like the barbed wire was gone, but it's not. Let's hop the fence. Oh my God! We should have got you to hold the camera. All right. Ugh. Come on. I'll hold this. Hurry up.
I'm getting too old for this crud.
Here. Let's go. Oh, whoa. Ooh, pretty flowers. Stop. Alright. Look at this. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Alright. Ooh, that's cool. Alright, so... Wait, was this here when we first came here? Or no?
I think so.
I don't... So, the last time we came here, we did the, we talked to one of the spirits, and it said for us to leave.
Oh.
What was that?
I don't know.
Did you hear? I thought I heard a thump.
I did too.
I just...
What is it?
Huh?
That orders?
What, where?
Up there?
Oh. I don't think so. Man, that's like the Roman numerals for 3.
I don't know. Let's
Then-
look around before we start doing it.
Yeah, let's look at the back, see if there's anything out of the ordinary than we were first here. If we were... Dude, don't get in front of the camera. Is there anything out of the ordinary? I still have that screwdriver in my hoodie.
Okay.
So, if there's anything or anyone that would want to harm us, I am armed with a screwdriver. What the hell?
Keep out things.
There isn't. Oh, I should watch my step.
Yeah.
Ugh. Oh, whoa. I thought I saw a spider. What is that? Okay. I should have brought my gloves. No, I'm getting in here. What is this? I thought that was a frisbee, but it's too thick to be a frisbee. Okay, that was a...
Okay, I'm just making sure.
Yeah, I am too. Okay, that almost looks like a dog pen or something. But I'm not
what
sure.
It used to be.
Ah, a bee! Run! Oh, whoa. Run for your life, a bee! Okay. Imagine there would be someone in here when we just walked back in here. That would give me a heart attack.
Hey, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready. As ready as I'll ever be. Get back, bee! I have a screwdriver! Okay, anyways. Hurry up, bros. Alright.
Hey.
I'm ready. Oh, there's like weird stuff. Like discoloration on the roof. That's weird.
You want to introduce themselves?
Okay.
My
Hello,
name
ghosts.
is Wyatt.
My name is Chaz.
We are here to communicate with you. We're not to do any harm to you.
We do not wish to do harm to you.
We do not do harm to us.
Please, we are just visitors. We do not mean to intrude.
Now, after we get done, you are here to stay here.
Yep, you are to go back to your peaceful, ghostly lives. Please do not unleash chaos onto our realm or our lives. Alright, let's get this started. That was loud. Are there any spirits here with us now?
Yeah.
Alright, can you please... Can you please make a thump sound to let your presence known?
Oh, yeah. It just did it a while ago.
Yeah.
Before we came in here.
Was that you who made that noise when we walked in here? Oh wow, that sounded weird. Do you wish to harm us? I said yes. Are we intruding? I think it said busted.
Plastic or something.
Are we intruding your privacy? Are
Do
we?
you want to communicate with us?
Do you wish to communicate with us?
Do you smell that?
I think so.
Smell something burning.
I'm gonna look around back. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna get my thing ready. Okay, at first, I thought, hang on. Okay.
Are you here with us right now? Yes. You hear that?
Yeah.
You said yes.
Was this is this an abandoned jail? Did it say yeah or no?
Was this a school?
Because last time we came here and did this, it said it was an abandoned school, not a jail. Is this an abandoned school?
That was a kid, bro. Here,
Yeah.
as soon as he said that. Are you friendly?
Go.
Do you wish to harm us? Are we intruding? I'll ask once more. Are we intruding? I think it said yes.
You want us to leave? Oh, that's that way.
Do you want us to leave?
Tom.
Is your name Tom?
Didn't Mozart have a ghost named Tom?
Yeah, it did. He did. Is your name Tom? I think it said what? I think.
What is my name?
Do you know what my name is? What say?
I don't know, I thought I heard a scream a while ago.
Is your name Tom?
Are you here with us right now? Yeah.
Is your name Tom?
I think it said bring them back.
Bring who back? Are you named Tom? I think it said yes.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to harm us? Do you want us to leave?
If you want us to leave, make a sound inside the building. Leave alone.
Do you want us to leave you alone?
I think that's what it just said, leave me alone.
Do you want us to leave? I heard something. Come on. I heard something.
That was a tap.
Yeah.
Before we go, say something into our phone camera.
Oh! Oh my god! Those are
What?
birds. Oh, that scared me.
Don't do that.
I'm sorry, it scared me. Oh my god.
Okay, we're leaving.
Okay.
I think it just said help.
Do you want us to help you? Is Tom hurting you?
Alright, a little kid just said help.
Is Tom a demon? Is Tom a demon or an evil spirit?
I think you just said evil. When you see a bird.
Like one or two flew from like up there and went out the door or something, I think. Or the window or whatever. That scared the shit out of me.
Well,
Do you want us to leave?
there's gotta be something here because there's a plug right there.
Probably. I don't want to touch that. I don't want to get electrocuted or anything if there's any energy left here. Do you want us to leave? I think it said leave. I think it said leave.
What is that?
What's what? Huh? What?
That's not a scratch, is it?
Where?
Thought I saw a line right there.
No, I don't see anything.
Okay.
Do you feel something?
No, that just looks like a scratch to me.
I'm gonna look around back again. Alright, I'm gonna grab my screwdriver. Make sure no one's out here again or...
Okay, I'll repeat. You are not to attach yourself to us. You are to stay here.
Please stay on this premises. Please do not follow us home. Please do not wreak havoc upon our lives. We do not wish to intrude.
Anything you want to say to us before we go?
Do you believe that we are good? Do you believe that we do not wish to hurt you?
Yes.
Okay, good. It's good that it says it acknowledges that. Do you wish to harm us?
We didn't see that last time.
What?
That chain.
This chain? Can it be?
I think you just said get out again.
Hang on. I want to see if I can get this.
Okay, we are leaving. Don't take anything.
I'm not. I'm looking at it. What the heck? That's heavy. I kind of want to take something.
I think I just want you to put it back.
It does. Do you want me to set this down?
Because after you pick that up, a growl just came through here.
Can I take this lock? It said yes.
No, that was a big growl.
Can I please take this lock that was found? Can I take this lock that was found? Said yes.
You smell that?
Yeah, I'm taking this lock. I'm taking it.
We all leaving, so goodbye.
I said bye. Please do not attach yourself to us. We do not wish for you to wreak havoc upon our lives. Do you understand?
Go and yes, it just said yes.
Okay, good.
Go.
Should we leave now?
Yeah.
Alright, goodbye.
Did you just say die?
Shit. Please don't hurt us. We don't wish to hurt you. Goodbye, ghosts.
What the fuck? That bird scared
What?
the crap out of me.
Yeah, it scared me too. What was the first? Alright, anyways, another... What? Alright, anyways, guys, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this spooky little... Yeah, I do. Let me do our closing line. Do my closing line. Anyways.
Let us know in the comments below if you heard anything.
Let us know if you heard anything that we did not hear. Post it in the comments with a timestamp. And as always, goodbye and stay safe. Peace out.